Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very simple thing like how to recharge your Idea SIM card through Idea app. Well, these days it's very simple to just recharge your SIM card through this app. So you don't need to go to anywhere else. You can do it from your own smartphone. So I'll show you how. So we have to install, before doing that, we have to install the Idea app for that. So there are two ways. You can do it from browser. The easiest way is to just simply install the Idea app and go for recharging. So we'll see, as usual, we'll go for Play Store, Google Play Store. Once you go there, you have to search for Idea app. Okay, just type in Idea. You can see this is the app that I was referring to, like My Idea Recharge and Pay. Since it is already downloaded and installed in my mobile, so it's only showing open instead of installing. So for the first time, if you start installing, you have to download and install the app in your smartphone. So and you have to give your phone number. It will ask for OTP for verification. You have to add phone number in your app so that it creates an account for you, Idea account for you based on your phone number. I've already done that. I will just open the app. I'll show you the app console. You can see here all these things are coming. Some advertisements would also come. Just click cross. So here you can see your own phone number and your name, and there are a lot of things like view details, recharge now. As you can see, a lot of things would be popping up in your home screen. They're like view details, recharge now, your coupons, recharges for you. You can just slide your hands over here to see more of options coming, unlimited, all these things about recharging, about unlimited recharging, everything will be coming over here. You can see that. So first of all, I will say you how to recharge straight away. After that, I will say you some of the features of Idea app. So for recharging, the best way is to look, first of all, you have to see the view details. Here all the things will be shown, like what is your main balance remaining or data remaining, all these things. So as you can see, my 0 MB left, total data left is 0 MB, means there is nothing there in my Idea SIM right now. So I have to recharge now to make calls or use data in my mobile phone. So here you can verify that whether your pack has ended or it is still continuing for some more days. So since today it has ended, I will recharge it. So look, straight away you can go to recharge now. Once I go to recharge now, in this page you can see the best offers available. It will show you some of its good offers automatically in this like in this section. You can press view more as well to see more of such options that is given by Idea. So if you want to go deeper, just go to below this. You can see explore all packs. When you go here this kind of option will come, like truly unlimited, talk time top-ups, active recharge, plan vouchers, data packs, dialers, all these things will be coming. Based on your requirement, you can recharge accordingly. If you want only talk time, you can press here. Only data packs, you can go here. Unlimited packs are here. So I would rather choose, since I do these days, I think most of the people are going for unlimited packs. So I'll press this one to go in detail. So this page will come up if you press on truly unlimited. So here you can see each and every unlimited pack here. So starting from here, you can see 299 validity for 28 days, 2 plus 2G is equal to 4 GB. You can see here. You can even press here for all the details. All the details will be also coming here. So you can go through this bar for a quick glance of all the packs. 299, 20 days, 699, 84 days, 449, 56 days. Based on data also it is showing. So I'll straight away go to, you can see a lot of options available. So for me, I think I'll go for more days, that is 84. This 599 pack, it is for 84 days. For me, 1.5 GB per day data is enough. So for 84 days, it is like almost 3 months. So I'll choose this pack. For that, I have to just press here, and you can see it has taken me to like payment page. Here it is writing like 7 coupons are available. You're entitled to a discount of ₹50 on recharges of 300. Okay, I'll get a discount of 50 rupees. That's good. As you go on recharging on Idea, you will be getting this kind of coupon. So I'll apply. For example, I'll press apply here. Once I apply here, you can see my 599 this things is getting a discount of 50, and it has come to a final price of 549. So now I would go for payment. So as you can see, there are a lot of options like credit card, debit card, net banking. Now the most popular thing is very simple payment process is UPI. I'll go for UPI here. So for UPI, net banking, all these things you can press here. Once you press this thing, a lot of options will come, like debit card, credit card, Bheem UPI, net banking, all these options will come. So usually when you pay in a particular way, it will show here. So as you can see, I have paid my recharge through UPI, Google Pay. So it has been paid. For how to use Google Pay, you can refer my another video. The link is given in the description. So it's very easy. So I have already paid for this app. Now a lot of messages are coming like recharge successful, truly unlimited calls to all network, 1.5 GB per day, data 100 SMS per day for 84 days, plus 5 GB extra for 28 days. Message below and enter the code. Okay, hello. Fine. So done. I have also got some rewards in my Google Pay. So you can always go for online payment. You can get a lot of rewards offers very easily. So as you can see in this page, recharge is complete. It is showing thank you. So this is how you recharge any Idea SIM through your smartphone. It's quite easy and fast as well. So please do that instead of going outside to any shops or asking somebody else to recharge. This way you can very easily recharge your Idea phone, Idea SIM card. So I'll go back. I'll show you some other features available in Idea. Like it's the home page, as you have already seen before I told you how to recharge. Now since I have recharged my phone, you can see here the details: unlimited local and national calls, validity 83 days. Earlier it was coming 0 only. So now 1.5 GB of today's data left, validity 83 days. All these things will be coming. And okay, 5 GB total data left. In that offer I also got extra 5 GB. So this is the home page. You can go for shop also here. In shop there will things like pay bill, recharge by giving or typing their phone numbers in this page. My offers, you can see a lot of same thing, almost same thing will be coming in the name of offer. You can go through that as well. Some Idea Tuesdays or something, some extra offers, additional 15% off on textbook pass. All this ads will be coming also. You can go through this. My subscription, my dialer tones, all these things will be coming. NDTV News, AstroPack. These are some added features of Idea app. Your account, you can see in the third option, there's something called account. You can see your details here, your recharge history, your call. I'll press my recharge history. It will show yes today. Last one recharge. Sometimes it takes some time to update. So since right now I have recharged, it has not come yet. Your call history also would come here. So Idea also records your call history. So this way you can see your call history, request, STD calling, all these things will be here. You can go through that also, or some kind of apps like Idea Movies and TVs. You can install all these things. Idea Phone Secure, and you can press more, my referral, locate Idea stores, help, fax. You can press fax to know a lot of things about this app and Idea recharging. So contact us, change language, terms of use, all these things. This is how you recharge your phone in Idea app. Apart from that, a lot of features are also there in this app. You can go through that. So it's a very useful app. Please download it in your mobile if you have an Idea SIM, and make best use of this app to make your recharges easy and simpler. So friends, this is what I had to say in this video. I hope this was very useful. If you found it useful, please like it, share it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button to get more of such simple little technical videos. Till our next video, see you again. Thank you.